Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video, I'll show you how to make the gift wrapping bow. These are wrappers of these Lindor chocolates. As you can see, they're colorful, they're of different colors. So I have a lot of colors here. So for each one, I'll be using 3 wraps. So for this, we need these and DMC thread. So I'll pick the red one first. So this is the red one I have taken. So you have to start folding in opposite directions like this. And I have the fold will be about 1 centimeter, roughly about 1 centimeter, and start folding back and forth like this. And while folding, make sure you press it hard so that they all come in straight lines. So I have finished one of these. Now I have taken the blue one and I'll be repeating the same procedure, like folding the wrap back and forth and pressing it hard so it is over. And one more red one, I'm folding again in the same fashion. So all 3 are done. Now I have taken first red and then blue, arrange it one after another in line, like in alignment. And third one is red, and I'm holding all of them together in the middle and arranging or spreading them like a butterfly, like this, so that all colors are visible, red, blue and red. Now I have taken DMC thread and I'm going to start in the middle, holding it tight and running the thread all around, like maybe 6-7 times. Now I'm going to cut the extra part, not extra, leaving some. So I'm going to knot them. This is the first knot. Second one. Holding still with my fingers so that they don't come out. Now I have turned it to the back side and putting 2 more knots. One, and the second one. So now I'm going to cut off the extra part of the thread. And you can still spread the bow a little bit so that it is like butterfly wings. So consider this as box wrapped. So I'll take the tape, some part of it, not too much, so cut it here. So go on the back side where it is sticky, fold like this And at the center you can put like this. So this sticks to the box. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.